Good morning. It's Friday morning. I'm making a pear berry blizzard. Pear berry blizzard. I have to say it really fast, okay? Pear berry blizzard. I've got ice. I've got pears, about several pieces. And I've got strawberries. Then I've got Visalis, which is the key ingredient. The Visalis makes me happy. And if you don't join it and lose weight, I'll be. And I've got silk almond milk. And I've got the whizzer. Excuse me. Here we go. That looks really good. We'll just see. Golly, how did that happen? Oh, that's good. Yes. Okay, shake party is now rescheduled for the 25th. 25th of this month. If you come, I'll be. And if you don't come, I'll be. So, you got to come. 25th of the month. Come on, let's go.